Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to do some super fun Chaun Legend inspired nails. Love how these came out, so if you guys want to see how I did them, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my nail tips already on, and I'm going to be using my Young Nails Cover Peach, which is one of my favorites. So what do you guys think of my new intro? You guys know I did just move to North Carolina. I don't know if I told you guys, but yes, I am in North Carolina now. So my little sister is here and she hooked the girl up. She made me a new intro. You guys let me know down below how you guys are liking it. So for these nails, you guys, this was a struggle day, okay? I was struggling because with the move and everything, I took a break from doing my nails. So when I started doing my nails again, I was a little rusty, but nothing a little filing can't fix. But yeah, you guys, I love this color. Again, Young Nails, one of my favorites, and I'll go ahead and have everything linked below for you guys. So these are the nails that I saw on Instagram that inspired me. They're by Liz Zen, but hers were also inspired by Chaun Legend. He does like these really cool abstract art nails, but he does a lot of black and white. Even though you guys know I love black and white everything, but I wanted to dabble into a little bit more color. I just think he's a really dope artist. I know he does Kylie Jenner's nails and he just kills it every time. You guys know I do want to get into some more hand-drawn art. I want to actually try to do some hand-drawn butterflies. I've been watching a few videos on it and it seems fairly easy. So if that's something you guys want to see, let me know down below and I'll get that up for you guys. Okay, so these are the nails after I filed, shaped, and buffed them. You guys know I do it off camera because my camera always goes out of focus. I don't know what's wrong with it, but getting it together. So I'm going to be using all Born Pretty polishes, and I'm putting the names on the screen for you guys. And of course, I will try to link them below. Their site's really weird. Every time I link something from their site below, it doesn't go directly to the item. So you guys have to do a little bit more work to find it, but I'll just make sure I have the names down there for you. And you guys know this dish that I'm putting it on is just a top to one of my candles. Okay, so now for the fun part, I'm going to use this brush to paint on the white. And I'm going to paint on kind of like a French tip, but I'm not going to go all the way to the other side because I'm going to end up covering that later with a different polish anyway. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use the brush to paint on the rest of the polish just because it's quick and easier and I like quick and easy. I did end up pinning on 2 coats of each color just so they could pop. But you guys know Born Pretty polishes are one of my favorites because they are super pigmented and not to mention they're under $5. So that's a win. And again, I will have them linked below. Okay, so I wanted to be extra, so I'm gonna go back in and add another line of white. These aren't what they have in the original design, but I don't know, I just wanted to do it. I think it looks really neat and clean, and now I just really want to do some classic nails like this on my channel. If you guys want to see it, let me know down below. But honestly, I wanted to leave them like this and just finish off the nails with the white and just maybe add a couple stones and just be looking real clean and classy, but I didn't do that. But if you guys want to see that, I will go ahead and have that up for you guys next on my channel because I think these nails look super clean and nice, and you guys know I love white. Okay, so I'm about to step it up a notch and add some color. So I'm going in with this orange. So in the original design that I saw, all the nails were the same color. But for some reason, just the fall in me was just coming out in this video. And I wanted to use all the fall colors that I had in my collection, which is why I ended up with each nail a different color. But yeah, I'm pretty much just doing the same thing, lining it and then going in with the actual paintbrush and filling it in again because it's quick and it's easy. And this is one coat, you guys. Just look how pigmented this polish is. So good. And again, I went in with two coats just to make sure that the white wasn't shining through or anything. Okay, so I couldn't help myself. I have to go in with black. I know on the original design they put white here at the bottom, but I just love black so much. I have to use it for everything. So I went ahead and added black, and I like the way it came out. I think it made the nails just have that extra pop and just so neat and so clean. And did I also mention how much I love this brush? It's just so easy to use. I do have lots of other liner brushes, but this one is just so thin and so perfect. And I want to say this one was around $5 as well, also from Born Pretty. Not sponsored, by the way. I know I talk about them a lot. They don't know me, okay? But I love their products. I will have this link down below as well. Okay, so to finish the nails off, I'm going to use my Valentino No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And I'm just going to put one coat on each nails and just look at that. I think it looks so good. These nails are super fun. Definitely different for me because, you know, I love like a more classic style nail. Maybe a little glitter, some pink, some purple. But this is like for me, like up there. But you guys, I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and I love how these turned out. Okay guys, and these are the finished nails. How cute. I just love them. Definitely different from my channel. I'm super excited and inspired to try different nail designs. Again, stepping out of my comfort zone. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down below. And anything else you guys want to see on my channel, also leave that down below as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.